Hi guys, your girl's back at the Disney Character Warehouse store. Well, I'm at Vineland Premium Outlets. I'm heading to the Disney Character Warehouse store. So let's go see what's in there, if there's anything new. What can I buy? Don't tell Boo though. Come on, oh, you ready? Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
She's right out here.
All right, so we're inside the Disney Character Warehouse and it is pretty busy in here so far. Let's see what they have new. They still have a lot of the Christmas stuff over there, but this measuring bowl and this Tiana set is new. Oh, this is new. I'm looking for that Bambi bag. I hear it's here, so we gotta go look for it. Alright, mugs are not new. Those have been here. Oh, there's the bag right there. Excuse me. Alright, I'll grab one of those. And this is my bag now. Okay, let's look at the pins while we're over here. Anything new? Oh, there's some new patches. Hawkeye pins have been here. Yep, those have been here too. You see, compasses are new. They are going for $4.99. And Mountaineer pins. Nope. These have been here. Alright, looky here. Chubby! How much are Chubbies? $7.99. What's this one right here? Halloween for $19.99. Madame Leona is $19.99 also. And let me see over here. Dr. Strange pins. Oh, and Figment. Paint your palette. This is from the Food and Wine 2022 for $6.99. There's Obi over there. He's being attentive. He's got kids.
Did you see these? Oh no, it's only $60.
Oh, $60
from
for that.
$128 for a see-through flounder.
Yeah.
Yep.
And Tiana bags are still here too. And here are my shoes, but I don't think they're gonna have my size.
They never have my size. If you find them, I need them. I love that. Like that one's cute. This is what the whole.
This is the Bambi
like,
bag.
That's what the whole color was.
My pillow looks like this, and my base.
That's what the ears were too.
Oh, there's the Trader Sam. He is what? $35. And this one is $20.
Look at they have.
Oh, they got Gus Gus. Isn't that Gus Gus?
Yes, it is.
He is $77.
Yeah, see, I knew that one of them was $75.
Oh, here. This is what I wanted too. I need this guy. I believe he's. Yeah. Isn't he cute?
Can you see the tag?
$20.
They have Haunted Mansion ears, but I can't.
I think these are $7.99. I think.
That's cute though.
I'm getting it because I think he's such a cute little guy.
See, if this were the bag, I would like our bag even better.
Yes. Okay, so they have some ears, Haunted Mansion ears. Let's go over here. Oh, they still have the castle bag or the carousel bag. You're okay holding them?
Yeah, it's helpful.
Okay, here we go. Look at this mini bag. How much is it? $25. It's cute. Very cute. It's a lounge fly. Okay, there's the Thumper and the Bambi mug. I don't see a flower mug yet. Oh my goodness, there's all kinds of new stuff back here. They got more Figment mugs back again. Epcot. Here is the Marie collection here. We got the Marie teapot, mugs, cups. Towels are $12.99 still. Now these bowls are cute teacup. They go for $9.99. I think they're cute, but I'm not going to get them for $9.99. see, Winnie the Pooh.
You okay?
Yeah, they got the teacup mugs too. Oh, there's the little trays. Alright, little girl's clothes back here. Oh, there's that pink cup. That's from that collection. It goes with those shoes back there. Waiting for the Spirit jersey to show up from that one. I'm not really seeing anything. Well, that might be new. There's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of people. Alright, this is a tray. Goes for $24, originally $44. It's heavy. It's real heavy. Rebel Leader. I think the Spirit jersey's new. I don't remember seeing it. This is the cream and sugar cups here. That's kind of cute. I think that shirt's new right there. Star Wars toys are $12.99. Let's go through the clothes over here. This is the 50th jacket. What is it going for? $40. This is a Tiana's hat. $14.99. Oh, look at the pretty inside. Oh, it's reversible. I bet you it's reversible. I would reverse. Yep, look at there. You can tell it's reversible. Oh, the Epcot hat. $7.99. I am not finding $14.99 for the visor. These look new up in here. I think these are new back here and they're restocking them. Okay. As you can tell, the store is very, very busy and I'm missing Obi here. Okay, they got ties for $19.99. And let's see. I'll meet you down here. Okay, these then here. Alright, so that was the crazy Disney character warehouse. Crazy busy in there today. But I did manage to get my bag. So, I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, I enjoyed going there and showing you guys what I could show you. So as always, thank you guys for being here and I love you all. Hope you didn't go anywhere yet. Guess what? We are at International Premium Outlets, and we're going to go to the Disney Character Warehouse here. I figured it was so busy at the other one, let's check this one out. Chris found some ears. What are those ears? Those are Christmas ears, aren't they? They're Christmas ears. Yeah. How much are they?
I don't know, but I need them. And I so regret. They're $8. I love that.
Hercules? Oh, okay.
I was like, I know it's more kind of.
These ones. These ones are kind of cute,
these, right? I looked at those at the other store.
$7.99. I don't know. I threw that one on the floor.
Yes, you did. Do we need these? I feel like we need these.
Do we need them?
I don't know.
Depends on the price. Oh, look it. There's our bag.
We can wear our same ears for.
Yeah.
What's your thought this year? I don't know. I'm gonna hold on to them and we'll see.
And think about it. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go. There's the pet stuff there. It's not as busy in this store, so
thank God.
I can probably see a little bit more in here. So let's start this way.
And then there's all on clearance.
On more clearance?
Even more clearance?
Those look like kids stuff, though. Those look all like kids' clothes. Alright. Oops. Yeah, those look like kids' clothes. Alright, so Disney plush for $9.99. Alright, there's the doggy costumes. I'm still thinking about the pumpkin one for him. But he'll really hate me. Alright, so we have a lot of the same Disney stuff here. Card holder for Santa. Okay. Winnie the Pooh. They have some dresses for the kids. Let's go over here and see what we can find. This looks like little kids' clothing here. They are. Alright. Let's check over here at the magic bands. Phone cases. Not very many of them. Pop sockets are $7.99 for 2 of them. Alright, let me see. They have some new pins here. These ones are different. This one is floating down Main Street. Goofy. Here's some tank tops here. Let me see. Uh-oh, Chippendale. Alright, they got the same sweatshirts here that they had at the other store. Oh, I see some Disney, some dresses over here. Let's go check these out. Let's see over here. We have this one. How much is this? They want $50 for this still. I think that's still too much. Got the skirt. Here's this is a dress. $14.99. And some overalls. They have a lot of the Walt Disney sleeveless tanks here. Sleeveless shirts. Okay, let me see. We got some orange. Oh, those are the same orange ones. Oh, this one's always late. You're welcome. I'm not sure. They have the Tiana pant, or this is Jasmine outfit. They have about the same mugs here that they had at the other store. I didn't see these at Vineland, but $3.99, $4.99, and $4.99. And here they have the coasters. I didn't see them at the other store either. Here's a Marvel shirt. Going for $24.99. This one's $19.99. And this is actually quite cute for $19.99. Lots of toys over here. Lots and lots of toys. And lots of loud music. So I'm trying to talk over the music. Look at this adorable little dress. And this adorable little sweatshirt. Lots of cute headbands. Here's patches. They've got a lot of them. A lot of cute ones. $4.99. $4.99. $7.99. It comes with a pin. $4.99. So $4.99 is the going price for the patches. Here's the different cups and corksicles and bottles. These pins are new. I didn't see them at the other location. Must be a whole collection, one family. And of course, they got the Mickey Mouse ones. I just love surprising you guys. Wasn't that fun? All right, this time I'm done now. All right, guys. As always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Obi, say bye. Bye. Bye.